Hey, you guys doing? Sean from Shawnee Motors. I'm going to tell you how to put the Prius 3rd Gen into a maintenance mode. So you want to start off with the vehicle off, foot off the brake, and you want to put your e-brake on just for safety, right? You're going to put in accessory mode, which means you're going to take the power button and you're going to put it in, you're going to push it two times without your foot on the brake. And now that you have the accessories on, you want to hit the accelerator twice. 1, 2, put it in neutral. You're going to put your foot on the brake, put it in neutral. Let go of the foot off the brake. Accelerator twice. Now you're going to go back to park. And then 2 more times you hit the accelerator. It says maintenance mode. You put your foot on the brake and you push the button to start the car. And it'll kick the car on. That's maintenance mode for you guys. So the reasons to use maintenance mode on this vehicle, number one is definitely when you're flushing the coolant. You want to put it in maintenance mode because it kicks the engine on all the time. It forces the engine to be running. And you know, if you have it on a lift and you want to run the engine, you know, EV will turn on. So right now, see, the car is still running. It's still in maintenance mode. Main one is going to be for the coolant flushing, bleeding the coolant.
What about to drive it for the check wheel bearing noise?
Yes, you could do that on the lift also. You can check that. And
because or else, if you don't have it in maintenance mode, we've had this problem before, and it just ABS just keeps kicking on. All the lights turn on the dash.
Yeah, all your traction control lights. You know, if one light's on, there's an error in one, you know, in the module, then you're gonna have the brake light. You're gonna have the traction control light. You know, all the lights are gonna come on. But right now, we just ran on the lift in maintenance mode, and you know, it's good. None of the lights came on. 23309.